When the world goes still, your mind finally gets space to speak. This isn't loneliness, it's clarity showing up after a full day of noise and rushing. Use this moment. Let silence tell you what matters. Let it show you what drained you and what gave you energy. Then choose one small thing you'll do tomorrow that makes life smoother. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need direction. And the night gives you that. Let tonight reset you. Let it realign you. And let it remind you that rebuilding doesn't happen in busy moments. It happens in the quiet ones.